Y'all, look, this the new motor. Kacey, you ready for the new motor bill?
Michelle.
Yeah, yeah, babe. She's trying to be a YouTuber. No. Kacey, start the YouTube. No. Start the video. Ooh, my boy's smart.
No,
yo, we can't be like this.
You mean?
Stop, bitch. Oh my god. Y'all, y'all. You don't gotta be. Oh my god. You are gold.
He put snot in.
Look, they got the baby. Y'all.
I ain't going to stick around with y'all, I'll tell you that. I tell y'all that
We can't go into the front of the car.
Let me see. Look at her.
Hey, babe. She came to get some food for her child.
Look at her. Stop it, because she wants to look up the mountain.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. You and me, please. Oh, we're trying to fight right here, whatever the fuck just played on my face. That's fucking disgusting. Get the fuck. I'm getting mad. I'm fucking disgusted.
This is wild. Y'all, she was waiting on me to come back over here. Y'all, Kacey scooting over.
Look, she like, come down.
She's drooling all over the place. All over the place with that tug.
Ooh,
go, you be go, you be go, you be go. It's good. He do not want to get out the car. Tell him to move, Kacey. No. Kacey, tell him to move again. He ain't hear you.
You making noise.
No. Hey, babe. Girl, he trying to pick up something. Better not throw nothing at me, little monkey. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Ooh, you coming to say. Get my baby. Get my baby. Get my baby. Get my baby.
You making him mad.
Bring me my son, Yubi. Kacey, flip it. Yeah. Y'all, look at this. So cute. Hey, babe. Oh, what you bring? Why are these animals so aggressive? Oh, my God. Not trying to do nothing to you guys. This bamboo trying to get my attention. Leave me alone. You stay fucking with me. Look at this. Look how big it is. This thing will kill you off, for real. Do you need a car? Big time. Well, drive Jania with 99% chance of getting approved, and it only takes 2 minutes. So grab your phone,